Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can extract text from screenshot on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to take screenshot of this document and I'm going to extract text from the screenshot of this document. So if we want to take screenshot, we can use snipping tool. We can go to the search menu and then you just need to type in snipping tool like this, and we're going to use snipping tool to take screenshot. You can select the camera icon and select new, and then you can choose the area you want to take screenshot of. Okay, and then if I want to extract text from the screenshot, we can click on this icon like this, and then the text will be highlighted, and then we just need to right click on it, and then we can select all, and then right click again and click on copy text. And I'm just going to copy text here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and this is the result. The text has been copied. And okay guys, that's all the way to extract text from screenshot on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.